Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here to show you how to download American Truck Simulator on your PC. First, ensure that you have Steam installed. This popular gaming platform lets you enjoy a wide array of games. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the official Steam website in your browser. Click on the Install Steam button at the top right corner and follow the instructions to set up the Steam client. Once Steam is installed, open the application. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Simply click on Create a Free Account and provide the required information, such as your email address and a secure password. After registering, log in with your details, and you'll be taken to the main interface. Next, locate the search bar in the upper right corner. Click on it and type in American Truck Simulator. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to visit the store page for more details. To buy the game, click the green Add to Cart button. Once your purchase is complete, go to the Library tab at the top. You'll see American Truck Simulator listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, then press the Install button. A window will appear, prompting you to choose where you want to install the game on your PC. Select your preferred location and click Next. The download will begin automatically. When the download is complete, a Play button will show up in your library. Click it to dive into American Truck Simulator. That's it for this guide. I hope you found it useful. Bye-bye.